Hi and welcome back to MRTV. Today I have a very exciting announcement to make. I'm announcing the very first MRTV XR Hardware Showcase. So, what is this? This is an event which is going to take place on 29th and 30th of March, so quite soon in Germany at the MRTV headquarters in Dortmund, Germany. And well, you can read all about it on mrtv.co. Now, what is this event? Well, in this event, I'm bringing together the most exciting XR hardware companies that will showcase their latest products to members of the enthusiast community, to the XR media, and to XR content creators. So I'm bringing them all together in order to create content for you, for real people to check out the latest headsets. So why did I come up with this idea? Well, as you know, every year I'm going to CES, which is great, right? But it is also very expensive to go there. And in the end, the most exciting are just a couple of companies, right? I go to Pimax, I go to Shift All, and so on and so forth. So it is not really cost effective. And also for these companies, it is extremely expensive to go to CES. It's like tens or thousands of euros and dollars. So I thought, why not make an event which brings us all together in a very cozy place for 2 days, the MRTV headquarters, and make it more accessible also to other creators that normally don't go to the States to CES. And that is exactly how I came up with the XR Showcase. So yeah, let's have a look at what it's going to be. Hopefully good. I think so. Yep, so the Hardware Showcase going to take place again in Germany on 29th and 30th of March. It's invite only for this very first event, and I've already invited the people to join. It's going to be people that you know from the XR media, from and content creators that you trust, and they all get to check out interesting hardware. So agenda 29th of March, 10 to 6 is the first day of the showcase. Then from 7 to 10 or later, we're going to do networking and party with German beers. And then Sunday is the second day with more showcase. Yes. And now let's talk about the companies that are going to be there. So that is also really cool. Who's going to be there? Pimax is going to be there, and they're going to show the Pimax Crystal Super 50 PPD. And that is an absolute world premiere. The headset comes fresh from the factory. They're flying in the first headset, the first mass-produced headset for us to check there. So the people on the event, the content creators, the media, they will have the chance to check out the headset for the very first time. An absolute world premiere. I'm very much looking forward to check out the Pimax Crystal Super 50 PPD. So Pimax is going to be there. Then Meganex is going to be there with the Meganex Superlight 8K. No, not Meganex, Shift All, right? The company is called Shift All, and that is going to be a Europe premiere. Or actually, it's also a world premiere because for the first time, they're going to show the final production unit of the Meganex Superlight 8K. At CES, it was already very close to production, but now it is the production unit that's also going out now to the first Japanese customers, and now actually next week to the European and to the US customers. So we'll be able to check this one out as well. Really cool and very nice that, Pimax flying in from China. And Sweetvive is going to be there from Sweden. Hi. Shift All coming to Dortmund from Japan. Very cool. And then also part of the premiere is going to be Somnium Space. So much looking forward to finally try out the VR1. And the representatives are going to show the ultimate version of the VR1, which has like mixed reality. It has hand tracking and it has eye tracking, and it looks so cool, right? I can't wait to look through it. It has been, yeah, quite a while that I didn't check it out, unfortunately, because always there was something, yeah, where I could not join their events. But now finally it's going to happen, and me and the attendees of this event will be able to check out the Somnium VR1 Ultimate. Really, really cool. And then also there, from Singapore and the States, the Play for Dream team is going to be there, the Dream Team. And they're going to show the final production unit of the Play for Dream MR. So I saw this headset at the CES, and it was really one of the surprise headsets. This also has 4K micro OLED panels, also from BOE, just like Shift All. And this headset, though, is a standalone headset with the XR2 Plus Gen 2. So this is the very latest Snapdragon processor. And I was really, really excited when I saw this at CES. So at the MRTV headquarters, it's even going to be better because there we don't have the problems like at CES with a bad network. So there we can finally check out how good is the streaming quality when you do wireless streaming. And yeah, that I'm very much looking forward to. So very, very cool, small event, but really with the devices that you actually want to see. And there's not only those devices there, there's also other devices there, surprise devices. And I'm telling you, it's going to be just insane. It's really going to be insane. It's going to be such a cool event. And yeah, there's people that you trust who are going to check out all these headsets and who will create content for you. And obviously, me and Marco, we're also going to create content from our own event. So yeah, you can expect lots of content from the first MRTV XR Hardware Showcase. And you know what excites me so much about this showcase is that it is not a roadshow from a single company, which are also, of course, good when companies do their own roadshows. But often these shows are just like very, very promotional, right? So a company goes and shows their own device and people try it. Probably it's their fans. And then they make videos about how great everything is, because you also feel a little bit of pressure, right? To like the device when you are at their event. And yeah, so that's that. But this time at the MRTV Hardware Showcase, it is made by MRTV, by an independent entity. So when I'm going to ask the attendees how they liked this headset or that headset, they can simply tell me what they actually feel about those headsets. And they can compare. So this is going to be amazing. They can compare the Pimax Crystal Super 50 PPD against the Somnium, against the Meganex, against the Play for Dream, and against some surprise headsets. So yeah, I am super excited and super stoked about the event. And who's going to attend? Yeah, you will find out. So the content creators and community members who are invited, they can, starting from now, can tell the public they are joining this event. So yeah, you can look forward to people that you know and trust. Yes, super stoked for this event. If this is going to be a success, I want to, obviously I would like to do it again. But first we're going to concentrate on this first event. It's a small event, right, just at the MRTV headquarters in Dortmund, Germany, which is not huge, right? So we're going to make it a cozy and nice event for everyone that joins. Yeah, and for the community members that are going to join, I am going to invite them, or I have already invited them. It's those who are active on the Discord server, on the MRTV Discord servers, right? So it's just my thank you to them to be such active members of the MRTV community. Yeah, do let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this event? Are you looking forward to finally hear, enthusiasts and members of the media and content creators to finally check out those headsets? Do let me know in the comment section. And yes, I understand probably you would love to join this event, but understand, sorry, it's invite only. Probably if this becomes a big success, then the next version might be open to the public and a bit bigger, but this is really a small event, so I cannot, so it's invite only, and you will still get lots of stuff out of it because I will be making content and the attendees are going to make content as well. Yes, super exciting times. The first MRTV XR Hardware Showcase going to happen 29th and 30th of March 2025 at the MRTV headquarters in Dortmund, Germany. You can read about the event on mrtv.co. So, gonna happen very soon. I'm excited and I hope you're excited too. That's it. Looking forward to see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.